Hello and welcome to It's My Why by Arpita. My name is Arpita and namaste to my lovely audience. Finally I got time after so long और मैं इंडिया आई हूँ. So अभी we are staying at Crown Plaza and I'll show you. So this video is going to be a room tour. So that if ever you're coming to India, so we are in Delhi at the moment और आपको कहीं रुकने की जगह चाहिए. So this is a recommendation video actually. So let's begin. So I'll show you कि ये रूम कैसा है. सबसे पहले मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी यहाँ का व्यू कैसा है. So this is the view. We need to open the drapes actually. So यहाँ पे अभी बारिश चल रही है. It was very hot actually. So if ever you're traveling to Delhi in November, December, you can consider because October was relatively hot and it was raining yesterday, so this is the weather. So it's a bit cloudy and there's a pool downstairs and that's the view that we are getting. That's Manthan. Do you want to come this way in the light? Yay, hi. Okay, so I'll show you the room that we are staying. So we are staying on 8th floor and I'm just gonna show you around. So this is the entrance. We enter from here and then as soon as you enter, there's on the right there's a big like bathroom with bathtub. I'll show you that later. And that's the space where you can store your things. What I really liked is they have like a cupboard. So once you open that, if you want to store your like precious things or anything, it has like a locker with a code that you can enter so that you don't have to worry about your money and precious jewelry and stuff. And then this is a section where there's all the luggage that we have parked. There's a big mirror. That's my look for today. It's Dussehra today, so happy Dussehra to everybody. And then you can hang things here. There's a corner there where we have stored things. There's a mini fridge, so if you want to like have so drinks and water and everything, if you want to store, we can do it there. There's a little section where we can make our own coffee and yeah, hot water, some chips. That's everything. That's there. This is also like a storage thing. Anyway, so this is the room. So we have like a big television there and this is all, so excuse our things that we have kept there. That's Manthan sitting and I don't know what he's doing. Oh, he's doing something technical. Okay. All right. And that's the room. So this is where we are staying. It's a huge bed, king size bed. And they have, what I really loved about this hotel is they have like a connection, like a connecting point. So even if you're coming from Australia, Europe or any other country, they have that connection like available there for your like cables and charging and all of that. And then that's the room. And this is the television. We have our luggage there and that's the room. We have a mirror in front and the view I showed you before. All right, I'll show you the bathroom actually. So whenever, because it's too hot outside, so if you're getting tired, we simply come and have shower. And that's the bathtub that I used yesterday and it was lovely. And then this is the bathroom with your vanity and mirror and everything, and they have of course like the bath gel and hand cream etc that you need. And that's like toilet and there's a big shower there as well. And they will like, we're staying here for like 9 to 10 I think nights, and they'll come and do their, you know, they'll change the towels and everything. And we are also, so the package that we did, because we were traveling from Australia, so we booked the hotel with breakfast and dinner. So if I get time, I'll show you the breakfast and dinner that we are having. And it is very useful because it's like a buffet where you can choose and there's so many different options. It's not the same options like every day. It keeps on changing every day according to, you know, how people have preferences. If you have any preference, they'll ask you, you know, very humbly, like, do you have preference? And accordingly, they'll like prepare food for you if need be. So it's very, very helpful. And of course, like it's air conditioned, very comfortable, safe. And yeah, so if you are looking for an accommodation and you're not sure where to stay, this is the place you can consider. I'll also show you the swimming area and other amenities that they have later on. In this video, what I wanted to talk about was, you know, I saw your comments and I was busy for like, because we were planning to come here and at work also I was very busy. So finally I got time because I'm here, so I'll be making videos whenever I can. I'll be recording the experiences that I'm having, and if you have any questions, of course I'll try to, because I looked at the comments and there were a lot of questions about APEP, which is Australian Physiotherapy Entry Pathway. So yes, I am going to make a video, like a separate detailed video about it. So if you're wondering, if you can give clinical exam from your country or location, if you're in different country, I think you can. And that's a good news for everybody, because earlier you had to come to Australia, take visa and everything and come to Australia for clinical exam. But now there is an option, thanks to the new pathway, that you can give your part 2, which is your clinical capability assessment. It's a new assessment. So I'll make a separate video about it and I'll try to give you more information about it. So that's a great news, because it will save money, time, you can prepare from where you are. And if you're considering to come to Australia, that will make your process extremely easy. There's another workshop, but once you know that you've passed the exam and your written assessment is done, your clinical capability assessment is done, there's another workshop of which you will have to come to Australia, but that's like the very end. It's not like an exam, it's like a face-to-face workshop. So and that's also good, because that's the point where you know that you're going to get your license 100%. And it's a great thing to just come to Australia and familiarize yourself with the place and the process, to get an idea about what's the scope, whether jobs are available. So I think yes, you can come for that step to Australia. But anyway, so I will make a detailed video about it in my upcoming video, so stay tuned. For this video, it was like a room tour that I wanted to record, because we're staying here for like 10 nights. There's a little section where I'll be showing you the pool area, the other amenities that we have. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, any further questions, comment down below, because I will be recording Q&As. I'll be answering your questions. So any questions that you have, please comment down below and I'll try to answer those in my upcoming videos. Alright, so yeah, thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.